Why eye training courses are better than surgery? Many people consider surgery as the only solution for vision problems, but there I want to open for you an alternative approach that might just change your perspective. So let's dive in. Let's understand what eye training courses are all about. Eye training, also known as vision therapy, is a non-invasive and a safe approach to improve your visual skills. It involves a series of eye exercises and activities for specific visual problems, such as myopia, farsightedness, astigmatism, and eye focusing problems. Benefits of eye training courses. So why you should consider eye training courses over surgery? Let's explore. Some key benefits. First, eye exercises are non-invasive. Unlike surgery, eye training courses are non-invasive. They don't involve cutting the eye structure, which eliminates the risk of complications. Second, eye training courses focus on the root causes of visual problems rather than simply treating the symptoms. This approach can lead to more sustainable and long-term results. Third, eye training courses improve your eye health and your vision becomes better. Now let's compare eye training courses with surgery and see why eye training courses is better choice for you. First, risk and complications. As with any surgical procedure, there are inherent risks involved. Eye surgeries can lead to potential complications such as infection, dry eyes, or even vision loss. On the other hand, eye training courses have only benefits for your eye health. Second, eye surgeries can be expensive, especially if additional procedures or follow-ups are required. Eye training courses are much cheaper option. Third, surgery often involves a significant amount of time for recovery, during which you may experience discomfort and limitations. In contrast, eye training courses typically have no downtime, allowing you to continue with your daily activities right after each session. In conclusion, eye training courses are valuable and effective alternative to surgery for myopia, farsightedness, or astigmatism treatment. Their non-invasive nature is easy to follow and improves vision without the risk associated with surgery. If you want to improve your vision and eliminate accommodative spasms, eye training course Eyesight Academy to improve your eye health and vision naturally. Link in the description below. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as always, take care of your eyes and stay well. See you next time.